If you want to block all calls on your POCO M8 Pro, first of all we can go to the security app. There we go. Once you open the security app, try to find block list in common features, so if you can find it, just select it. If not, then scroll all the way down and swipe up to open the toolbox. Then over here, open the block list. Tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner, and then here we need to go to the call block list. If you have two SIMs, then also make sure that you are using the correct SIM in here. And there we go, in here we have block all calls, so we can enable this option, and then calls from any number that is not in exceptions will not be able to reach you. So we can confirm that we want to do that. If you want to manage exceptions, then of course we can go back to the block list settings, and then over here we can manage these exceptions that should still be able to call you. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.